We've got smoked wings on the menu tonight, using special smoke. Today we're using two different types of wood. The first one, Tabasco chips. These are made from the oak barrels that Tabasco is aged in. The oak barrels come from the whiskey distilleries, and they use the barrels to age their Tabasco sauce in. The other one are barrel staves from New Holland Brewing Company. New Holland makes a whiskey barrel, bourbon barrel beer, and they age their beer in that whiskey barrel, and then they chop these up and sell them for sale. So this will be some good smoke. You'll want to let these soak for about a half an hour. Prepping the wings. So all right, cold wings. The old Bourbon Trail baked chicken from ColonelDE.com. I'll leave a link in the description for this rub. Alright, as your chips are soaking, you're going to stick that in the fridge, and then we're going to make some sauces. A little blue cheese, and for you blue cheese haters, some ranch dressing. Ranch dressing, 1 packet of Hidden Valley Ranch, 1 pint of sour cream. Mix it up in a bowl. Half that in there. Dump in your season packet. Do a little mix. Dump in the other half. Now we give it a stir. That's it. Good. All right, haters, I'm going to make us some blue cheese dressing. That'll go great with these wings. Sour cream. In the bowl. Mayo, buttermilk, lemon juice, these are great to have. They're a garlic press. 1 clove of garlic. Get it all in there. Half a teaspoon of garlic powder, more or less. And a couple of dashes of Worcestershire. How do you say this? Leave a link in the comments. Black pepper. And don't forget the blue cheese. All right, gonna mix this all up so it's not so runny anymore. Inside the whisk here. There we go. All right, kids. That's your blue cheese dressing. Perfect. Okay, the fire's on. We're gonna let that get up to about 225 and start smoking. Once it's smoking, we can put our wings in, and we'll put them in there for about 45 minutes. Flip them over another 45 minutes, and we'll be ready to drop those on a nice hot grill to finish them up. Stay tuned. How to tell you're getting the right temperature. Don't ever trust the box thermometer. Get yourself something like this iGrill Mini, stick the probe in the end there, and then you can watch it on your phone. You can set a reminder to tell you when your box is at the right temperature. All right, we're smoking. The box is at temp. We're ready to go. Bah. 225, let those sit for 45 minutes. We'll turn them around on the other side and let them cook for another 45, and then we're gonna put them on the grill. Well, waiting for the wings. Let's have ourselves some Rye 95. This is from Knox Whiskey Works in Knoxville, Tennessee. A little small distillery. This is a single barrel, small batch, barrel 21, bottle number 80, bottled on 2/21, so February of 2021. If I can get this top off. This uncorking here. And let me show you how it's really supposed to be taken. Happy 4th of July, everybody. Stay safe out there. Keep all your fingers. Oh, that's smooth. That's Tennessee whiskey. It's about 10 minutes in. We add a little flavor. Just a light sprinkling of this. Don't go too crazy. Oh, they look good. All right, put those in for another 45 minutes and then we'll put them on the grill. minute or two on each side, and then we're done. We're ready for plating. Plating now. Look at those, so crispy and so delicious. These are the best damn wings you will ever have. Smoked with Tabasco, a little bourbon rub, and some bourbon barrel chips as well. And let's give it a try. A little ranch, because I know you got the blue cheese haters out there. Oh my God. So juicy. So delicious. There's just a little crunch to the skin. And yeah. Alright, now we gotta try homemade blue cheese. And a nice little dipper here. Yeah, this is gonna make a mess, but we got napkins. That's everything a wing should be.